If you've ever looked into Toyota hybrid vehicles, you've probably heard the same warning. The battery will fail, it's insanely expensive to replace, and once the warranty is gone, the car isn't worth owning. Here's the truth. Most of that information is outdated, exaggerated, or simply wrong. In this video, I'm not here to hype hybrids or scare you away from them. I'm going to explain what actually happens to Toyota hybrid batteries over time, how they work in the real world, what typically fails, and most importantly, what replacement really costs today, not what it cost 10 or 15 years ago. Whether you're considering buying one, already own one, or just want facts instead of internet rumors, this will give you real clarity. To recap the common myths, people say hybrid batteries only last about 100,000 kilometers or miles. They say replacement costs can reach $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000. And they claim the system is too complicated to repair or replace. I'll explain where that fear actually came from. And once you understand the history behind it, you'll see just how irrelevant it is to today's Toyota hybrid technology. So where did this fear actually come from? It goes back to the early 2000s, when hybrid technology was brand new and just entering the mainstream market. At that time, people didn't fully understand how these systems worked. The idea of a high-voltage battery inside a vehicle sounded complicated, unfamiliar, and expensive. But here's what often gets ignored. Toyota has now had more than 25 years to refine and perfect its hybrid systems. And real-world ownership data tells a very different story than the one still circulating online. The truth is that Toyota hybrid high-voltage batteries commonly last well north of 200,000 to 300,000 miles. Convert that into kilometers, and you're looking at roughly 320,000 to nearly 500,000 kilometers on the original factory battery. There are documented examples of Toyota hybrids surpassing 500,000 kilometers while still running on their original hybrid system. You see this especially with taxis and rideshare vehicles that accumulate extremely high mileage. Many of them continue operating with the original battery intact. One of the key reasons for this longevity is how Toyota engineers the battery system. The battery is designed to operate within a conservative charge range. It's never fully charged and never fully drained. That controlled cycling significantly reduces stress and dramatically increases lifespan. In fact, compared to something like a smartphone or laptop battery, a Toyota hybrid battery experiences far less strain. And that design philosophy is a major reason why they last as long as they do. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see what Toyota's factory warranty reveals about how confident they are in these systems. Toyota's factory warranty quietly tells you a lot about how confident the company is in its hybrid systems. Every new Toyota, hybrid or not, comes with a standard 3-year/60,000-kilometer basic warranty and a 5-year/100,000-kilometer powertrain warranty that covers major components like the engine and transmission. But when you look at hybrid-specific coverage, it's even stronger. For vehicles built from the 2020 model year onwards, Toyota backs the high-voltage hybrid battery for 10 years or 150,000 miles, about 241,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. In some regions, like Canada, that figure is expressed as 10 years or up to about 240,000 kilometers for the hybrid battery itself. That extended warranty coverage matters for one simple reason. Manufacturers generally don't guarantee components they expect to fail often. By offering up to a decade of hybrid battery coverage, Toyota is signaling strong confidence in the durability and reliability of the system. And because this warranty applies to the original owner and subsequent owners alike, it removes a large part of the fear surrounding hybrid battery replacement, especially for people thinking about buying used. Now let's talk about the part that really makes people uncomfortable, the actual replacement cost. This is where the fear usually peaks. You've probably heard someone say that if the hybrid high-voltage battery fails, you might as well scrap the car because replacing it costs almost as much as the vehicle itself. Some people throw around numbers like $15,000, $20,000, even $25,000. That kind of talk is what scares buyers away. But in today's market, that simply isn't accurate. Battery pricing has changed dramatically over the last 15 to 20 years. Manufacturing scale has increased, technology has improved, and there are now remanufactured and aftermarket options available in addition to brand new OEM replacements. The days of extreme early hybrid pricing are largely behind us. Depending on where you live, the specific Toyota hybrid model you own, and what exactly has failed, a full high-voltage battery replacement today typically ranges from about $3,500 to $5,000, sometimes slightly higher depending on labor rates and region, but nowhere near the exaggerated figures that still circulate online. And it's important to understand something else. Not every hybrid battery issue requires full replacement. In certain situations, individual modules can be serviced or repaired, or a reconditioned unit can be installed. The solution depends on the diagnosis. The idea that every battery warning light automatically equals a $20,000 bill is simply not grounded in reality. On top of that, many owners are still within hybrid warranty coverage for a significant portion of ownership. In regions where hybrid components are covered for extended periods, sometimes up to 10 years, the likelihood of paying out of pocket during that window is reduced even further. There's also the long-term ownership equation to consider. Hybrid systems reduce wear on traditional components. Regenerative braking significantly extends brake life. The electric motor assists the gasoline engine, which reduces engine strain during acceleration and city driving. Over thousands of kilometers and years of use, many owners save substantial amounts on fuel and maintenance. In some cases, those savings alone can offset the cost of a battery replacement if it were ever needed. When you step back and look at the numbers logically, the financial fear surrounding Toyota hybrid battery replacement simply doesn't align with modern reality. So let's clearly separate myth from fact once and for all. Myth number 1. Toyota hybrid batteries fail around 100,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles. Reality: real-world data shows they regularly last 2 to 3 times that mileage, and often much more. Many vehicles exceed 300,000 miles, or approach 500,000 kilometers, on the original hybrid battery. High-mileage taxis and rideshare vehicles are proof of that durability. Myth number 2. Cold weather destroys hybrid batteries. Reality: cold temperatures may temporarily reduce efficiency or performance, but they do not permanently damage the system. In colder climates, the gasoline engine may run more often until the system reaches operating temperature, which can increase fuel consumption slightly. However, Toyota hybrids are equipped with thermal management systems designed specifically to protect and regulate battery temperature. The system is engineered for real-world environments, including harsh winters. Myth number 3. Hybrid battery replacement costs as much as a used vehicle. Reality: replacement costs today are far lower than early 2000s rumors suggest. Thanks to technological advancements, increased production, and a mature hybrid market, pricing is significantly more reasonable and predictable. Myth number 4. Hybrids are overly complex and expensive to maintain. Reality: Toyota hybrid vehicles often have fewer traditional wear and tear components than gasoline-only vehicles. There's no conventional starter motor, no traditional alternator, and reduced brake wear due to regenerative braking. In many cases, long-term maintenance costs are equal to or even lower than comparable non-hybrid models. So should you buy a Toyota hybrid? When you look at the full picture, long battery lifespan, extended factory warranty coverage, realistic replacement costs, and a proven track record spanning more than 2 decades, the data speaks for itself. Toyota's hybrid systems have demonstrated durability in real-world conditions across millions of vehicles worldwide. If you've been hesitant because of something you read online years ago, hopefully this breakdown has replaced fear with facts. Toyota hybrid battery replacement cost is not the financial disaster it's often portrayed to be. That's the truth behind the myth. And that's what most people were never told. So if you're on the fence about going hybrid or non-hybrid, hopefully this video has helped you in some way. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.